Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing the Tesla crash. Not my crash, because I didn't crash and neither did my Tesla, but the one that's been going around the internet where there was no driver, or well, at least there was nobody in the driver's seat. And I'm going to tell you right now, there's some shady stuff that's going on where this is probably a case of Darwinism. So before we begin, what we need to talk about is the situation behind this crash. Not my crash again, the crash where somebody died, an owner and a passenger. The owner of the car was in the back of the car, in the rear seats, and there was a passenger in the front passenger seat. Nobody in the driver's seat. I'm gonna tell you right now, this should not have happened. And it's not because of a Tesla fail-safe feature, it's because these people were acting stupid and doing stupid things. And I'm going to show you just how stupid they must have been. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to talk about why this is a complete disaster of a PR thing for Tesla, and it should not be. First, that particular car, the Model S that crashed, so mine is a Model S behind us, did not have full self-driving capability. It could only have had autopilot, which is cruise control and lane keeping, not auto stop start, not a lot of these things. Just glorified lane keeping assist like most cars these days, where it'll hug you between the lines and have some adaptive cruise control. So that's one big consideration to think about. Next is somebody was supposed to be in the driver's seat and wasn't. Somebody had to come to the car to turn it on in the driver's seat. Somebody had to be in the driver's seat to do that. You see it says car off. Well, to turn the car on, you have to hit the brake pedal. And now the car's on. Now, we know that we're going to assume that the owner was in the back seat. So let's say we're right here, we're stopped, we're ready to rock, we're going to get out. Wait, what? What? Did you see that? It just went into park. I opened the door and it went right into park. Okay, so step one of getting into the back seat with the car moving is step one is do not open the door. You have to be in the driver's seat to start the car, but you can't open the door. I'm sure you guys realize this already, but it's starting to get really fishy really fast. So let's go to the next step. Let's activate cruise control. Okay, so cruise control is unavailable. Okay, well, maybe we need to go faster. Still unavailable. Oh, it's the driver's seatbelt is unbuckled. Gosh, you have to buckle your driver's seatbelt. Okay, let's buckle up. Okay, so we are buckled up. And now we are ready to activate cruise control. I think we're ready. Okay, we're going 7 miles per... No, not enough. Not fast enough. Oh, here we go. 10 miles per hour. All right, now let's get in the back seat. Let's disconnect our seatbelt and get going. Wait, cruise control speed reduced. Driver's seatbelt's unbuckled. Wait, it just came to a stop. I didn't come to a stop. It came to its own stop. Well, how the hell am I supposed to get in the back seat if I can't unbuckle my seatbelt? So that right there is one of the biggest issues. You had to be in the driver's seat to turn the car on, to put it in drive, to activate cruise control, and you had to have your seatbelt buckled. Now, there is a way around this. I know there's a way around this, and that is not what I recommend. This is where stupidity comes in. So if you're going to do this, you're stupid. But I'm going to show you how to do it just because I want you guys to understand what had to happen in order for this Tesla to crash by itself. It didn't really crash by itself. somebody was just stupid. To activate cruise control, we know that we need to have our seatbelt buckled. We could do that little trick. We can do the trick where we buckle it behind us. This is stupid. This is completely stupid. Okay, so now we're not buckled in like we're supposed to be, and now we can activate cruise control. This is, again, very stupid. I'm backing up nice and slow. Can cruise control activate when we're going backwards? No, cruise control will not activate going backwards. That's probably for the best. Okay, so ready for cruise control? We got cruise control. I'm going to just slow us down to nothing. And this is what the theory is that they've done. They've slowed down to nothing. You see the max speed of cruise control being 0, hopped into the passenger seat or the back seat, and then reached over to the stalk, which is under here. That's right. It's way out of the way of the passenger seat, way out of the way of the back seat, reached over to start activating it. Or they jumped out as cruise control activated and found that it was going too fast. Simply unbuckling the seatbelt would have likely saved them, because unbuckling it comes to a complete stop pretty darn fast. Now, why is this BS? Because you can do this in any car. You can jump out of any car's driver's seat that you are required to be in and activate cruise control and just crash. If you are relying on the car to steer itself without you in the driver's seat when you're supposed to be, clearly you're supposed to be, you are making a fatal mistake. And that's unfortunately what happened here. So in summation, guys, don't be morons, and you probably won't die in moronic ways like this. So in summation, I want to say it was really, really dumb of those people to do such a thing. They put their lives at risk. They put other people's lives at risk. But this is something that you could do with any car. You can climb into the back seat of any car and do the same stupid thing, and there's nothing really stopping you from doing it. If you're trying to defeat devices that keep you safe, like the seatbelt check and hitting the brake to start the car, I mean, and climbing out the things, like climbing over the seats to get to where you're going, well, unfortunately, you're just asking for some trouble, and this is just what happens. So in summation, I want to say that this accident that's making national headlines is being reported wrong. It is being reported like the Tesla crash, and it is absolutely not the Tesla that crashed. It is the driver that crashed, and we should not be reporting it as the Tesla itself crashed. Sure, there was no one in the driver's seat, but it had nothing to do with autopilot, and it had nothing to do with some glitch in this system. It was just people being stupid. I hope this video was informative about the situation, and for those of you who are subscribers, we are going to get back to our regularly scheduled program shortly. We've been off for about a month because I've been moving, and frankly, I haven't had time to compile videos, but I thought this was an important one to get out because I could see how the news reports were just totally misrepresenting the whole situation with it. So coming up on the channel, we have a lot of fun stuff. We have some more Tesla content. We have more C8 content as we near the end of our C8 twin turbo production setup, as well as a surprise for you guys. And finally, for those of you who are tuning into this particular video, you might appreciate it. We test drive the new Mustang Mach-E. That's the electric Mustang SUV. I don't know why it's a Mustang, but it is a Mustang. And is it good? Is it bad? You guys are going to find out in the upcoming videos. So definitely check us out, and we'll see you guys soon. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think the people that crashed their Tesla are morons, or do you think that there's some other conspiracy theory going on? Did Elon Musk hack in and send those kids to their doom? Write it in the comments below. Okay, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Adios.